Hi guys, so over here. Today we'll be unboxing the VITURE Pro XR Glasses. So these are portable monitor for your eyes if you want like a cinema for your eyes. So these are the things. Why would you need it? If you are a traveler and you would like something compact, you don't want to carry like one or two monitors, and especially if you want to watch different kind of contents, like maybe you're into streaming, movies, playing games. So you want one thing which is compatible for almost everything. So you can get these glasses. So let's unbox it. So yeah, they do come in like a fancy box itself. Um, these have different versions though. So this are Pro, then there's a Luma Pro, then Luma Ultra, and Luma Beast. So what is the main difference? So I think the first of all, the main difference will be field of view. It's just like how much you can see, and the resolution. They do claim it's like 4K, but it's not. It is. These are 1080p, while the other ones they are 1200p. So it is bit higher in resolution, but the claims the making it is like 4K. It's not. The reason it's I think the pixel is around like 40 to 55 ish or 60 ish. It's not like that higher, the PPI. But obviously, as these are super close to your eyes, so you won't see the difference. It's like if you have like a 4 or 8K monitor, if you're looking a bit further away, you won't see the pixel unless you go get really close, and then you see like start seeing the pixel. So yeah, so it's gonna be like this. Open this way. I think you gotta. Oh yeah. So you gotta. The box is really fancy, so you gotta open it this way. And so they come with the charger. There is a like a USB-C sort of hub, which you can use to plug in your the glasses to your mobile or whatever device you have. They are compatible with almost anything with USB-C. So if you have like a gaming handheld, you can plug directly into it, or you can get one of these hubs or USB-C sort of hubs, which you can use these ones, plug into that, and then you can also use charge your device as well. It also has like a hub you can order, but these are accessories you need to buy on the side. I think with the the glasses itself, you only get the cable. So this is the box itself. It's quite a premium looking. It's quite nice. We're gonna open that. So here at the back you have the cable. So the one thing is, oh, there's no cable. Let's see. Yeah, the cable is at the back here. So then it's sort of like a magnetic one. So what you'll need to do is so this side here, as you can see, it will fit in magnetically, so which is quite handy. You don't need to like fiddle with it, especially if it's a USB-C. So as you can see, so these are the glasses around here. You can take it up. One thing is, if I like, yeah. So depending on your face and like the eye size, so they're pretty rigid though. So like there are some different glasses. What they do is they are a bit more flexible. These are a bit flexible, but like they're at the back end. It's like, as you can see, it's solid. While the other ones, they are rubber, so you might find them a bit more comfortable. So that's one thing. Obviously, these are charging while you're using them, so these will get hotter, warmer. It depends on, some will find it comfortable, some might not. So your mileage may vary. So they do have a built-in speaker on them. From what of the reviews I've seen, they are okay if you are not in a very loud area. So especially if you're in a public area, they are okay-ish. They might not be that good. So you might have to use your headphones in that instance if you want like a better experience. So here it does give you a bit of option to sorry yeah it does give you a bit of option to sort of adjust to your eyes. I'll need to check on this one because I think these are sort of adjustable. I don't remember it because on one of the models, I think it's on the Pro one, you can adjust, on some you can't. I don't remember exactly, but I think it just depends. So yeah, these are the glasses. Because I'm recording from my phone and on my Ally, I'm downloading like I have to reinstall Windows. I'm downloading tons of stuff on that, so I can't do a video about that. So this is pretty much it what you will get on your with your device. There is nothing else. If you yeah, I think I forgot about the dock. So if you are, especially if you have like a switch, you can get that one of those docks. They have I think 10,000 to 13,000 milliamp battery, and you can plug into your glasses into that, and you can use it to you can play like how you can play on your monitor or TV. So you can use that with the switch. I think the double thingy, that's only with the dock, so be mindful of that. And I think you will be only be utilizing it if you have a switch. In other cases, I would say like just buy like a battery bank or something. And like with the hubs, I will test it because as on Ally, because not all the hubs have the option to stream video as well. So it might be better option for you to get that hub, the adapter from them, which might be a bit expensive-ish compared to other hubs, but you can check whichever hub works for you. If your normal hub works, then you don't need to buy anything else. You can just use that. In case if that doesn't work, then you have to buy the hubs, or if you have a switch and you want to share with somebody, you can get that the docking station itself. That is close to I think 40 or 50 pounds. So on the device itself, this do go close to 1,000 nits. How much you will like brightness you will go to, it depends on you. Obviously, if you're having like a long session, you might not. Then some on some of the frames, the like you can make the front glasses a bit more transparent, or you can make them more darker. I think there is a button on that. I am not sure if this feature is available on the VITURE Pro model, or is it like sort of only on the Luma version, which is like a newer generation of these ones. So they also, the newer ones, they will be coming with the camera, while these ones they are not. So I will try these ones and I will make a review on that after like with Ally and how it performs. Okay, that should be it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Take care, stay safe, have a good day, bye.